Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all are fit and fine. Yes? Okay. In previous maths class, what we learned? Can you tell me, children? Long and short. Long and short. Yes. Today we will learn about the next concept, inside and outside. Inside and outside. Okay. So, open your numeracy scale book, page number 7. Okay. See children, inside and outside. Look at the two pictures. What is difference between? Can you tell me children? First picture, the dog is inside the house. The second picture, the dog is outside the house. Is it right? Yes. Inside means ಒಳಗೆ, outside means ಹೊರಗೆ. Okay. Look at the heading. Tick right the box with the fish outside the bowl. See children, according to two pictures, what is difference about two pictures? Can you tell me? In first picture, two fishes are there in the fish bowl. Yes. Inside the fish bowl, how many fishes are there? Two fishes. Okay. In second bowl, only fish bowl is there. The fish is outside the fish bowl. Yes. The fish is outside the fish bowl. So, you have to put the right mark in second fish bowl box. Okay. Second example, tick right the box with the flowers inside the vase. Do you know flower vase, children? Yes. So, according to two pictures, what is difference about two pictures? Can you tell me, children? First picture, flower vase is there. Okay. The flower vase is full of flowers. Okay. The flower vase is full of flowers. Look at the second picture. The flower vase is there. Okay. The flower vase is there, but the flower vase is empty. The flower vase have zero flowers. Zero flower means empty. Okay. Outside the flowers, outside the flower vase, okay, outside the flower vase, two flowers are there. Right, children? Yes. Outside the flower vase, this is a flower vase. Okay. Outside the flower vase, how many flowers are there? Two flowers. Right? So, see the headline. Tick right the box with the flowers inside the vase. Inside the vase means first vase. So, you have to tick the right mark in first flower vase. Okay. This type you have to do this activity. So, open your numeracy workbook, page number 15. This is also activity of inside and outside concept. Spot and circle the animals that are inside the house. Spot and circle the animals that are inside the house. See children. According to the picture, inside means what? This is a picture of inside the house. Okay. This is a picture of inside the house. In window, elephant is there. Okay. Elephant is outside the house. Okay. The elephant is outside the house. Okay, so see the headline, spot and circle the animals that are inside the house. Inside the house means ಒಳಗೆ, ಒಳಗೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ animals. So you have to circle the image, the dog and cat, right? The next one, color the dog that is outside the house. Color the dog that is outside the house. Look at the picture. What is difference between this one dog and this one dog? Can you tell me? The first one dog is inside the house. The second one dog is outside the house, right? Yes. So you have to see the headline, color the dog that is outside the walls, outside the house. Outside the house means you have to color it the second dog picture. Okay, you have to color it second dog. Okay, don't color it inside the dog. Okay, so children, you have to color it the second dog. The second dog means outside the dog. Okay, so you have to circle two animals. Number 1 is cat, number 2 is dog. So this step you have to do this activity. See the next page, page number 16. Spot and circle the animals that are inside the water. Inside the water means ನೀರಿನ ಒಳಗೆ. Okay, look at the picture. Look at the picture. The elephant is inside the water and the fish is inside the water, right? So you have to circle the elephant image and fish image. Okay, second one, circle the duck that is outside the bathtub. Circle the duck that is outside the bathtub. See children, first one duck is inside the bathtub. The second one duck is outside the bathtub, right? So see the headline, circle the duck that is outside the bathtub. Outside the bathtub means second one duck. So you have to circle the picture. Okay, in first one, spot and circle the animal that are inside the water. Okay, so the elephant is inside the water and the fish is inside the water. That's why you have to circle the animal, the elephant, right? The second one, circle the duck that is outside the bottom. Outside the bottom means second duck is outside the bathtub. That's why you have to do the circle second duck image. Okay, this step you have to do this activity. This is also homework also. Okay, this step you have to do this activity in numeracy skill book and numeracy workbook. Numeracy skill book page number 7. In numeracy workbook page number 15 and 16. This is your homework. Okay, thank you.